Welcome to the installation video for our PSB715. Here you see the housing with the original bushing having been removed. And here is our PSB polyurethane bushings, the two parts with the metal sleeve. Lubricate the inner part of the housing to help push the bushings in. You can then pop them in by using a rubber mallet. Once the bushings have been installed, lubricate the inner part of the bushing before then installing the metal sleeve. This can be done using a rubber mallet or otherwise a bench vise. And there you have our installed PSB715. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.